Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial we will learn how to build a GPS system using the Arduino in Proteus. In this project we will read the GPS data and display it on a 20x4 LCD. A GPS system or a global positioning system is a satellite-based navigation system used to determine the exact location of an object. The GPS module receives signal from the satellite and sends the location data such as the latitude, longitude, and the time to the Arduino using the serial communication. Arduino then calculates the result and then display it on the LCD. Before building the circuit, you will need to install the basic libraries of the project in the Proteus. These libraries are developed by the engineering projects and allow the GPS module to be simulated inside the Proteus. You will need three basic libraries. The first one is a new LCD library for the Proteus. The second one is the Arduino library for the Proteus, and the third one is obviously the GPS library for the Proteus. You can see I have created a circuit here. It is a very straightforward circuit in which I have just installed all the objects here required. These are required, and the GPS is directly connected with the Arduino's digital pins, and the LCD is directly connected to the Arduino. Arduino is the head of this project, and it calculates the data obtained from the GPS and displays it on the LCD. Here is the code I have used. I have tried my best to make it simplest. Let's understand it. First, we include the liquid crystal library to control the LCD display. The GPS module continuously sends the raw data in the form of an MEA sentence through the serial communication. The Arduino reads this data directly from the serial port. Since we are not using any external parsing library, the data is displayed as it is received or partially processed based on the code logic. This means the output may include the raw data from the GPS, but it still demonstrates how to show the communication between the GPS module and the Arduino working. So it simply receives the data from the GPS, as you can see here, and then displays it on the LCD. There, we are not using any complex code, or the Arduino does not have to read continuously the data from the GPS. Therefore, the void loop is empty here. So we have to create the connection between these two. So you have to simply verify the code, and you will get the address of this X file. You just have to search it. As you can see, here is it, and then copy it as I'm doing so. Copy this and paste it in the Arduino here, as I have done it before, and click OK. The circuit is ready now. Let's test it. As you can see here, it shows the GPS tracker system. Here it is showing the signal is connected. This information was used in my code, where I have placed these sentences in the string to show it on the LCD, and now it is showing the result. I hope this project was useful for you. This is a very basic project which is modified and advanced to be used in the other projects. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment section.